Morning all of you. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting subject. But first I'm gonna ask you some questions. What is this? That's right, it's a dinosaur. Does dinosaur still exist? No, it doesn't. What we have here, can anyone here identify what is this? Yes, that's right, it's a camel. Camel still exists, that's right, in the desert. So, dinosaurs has extincted millions of years ago, but camels not. And that's our lesson today. The extinction. What is the definition of the extinction? We can say that it's a continuous decrease without a compensation in the number of a living organism till it all dies. For example, that's what happens with the dinosaur. Its numbers decrease and decrease and decrease until it dies. But what lead the numbers of the dinosaurs to decrease? We have some factors. The old ages factors happened from millions of years ago and lead to the extinction of a lot of animals in the old factors. We have meteorites inhabit the earth. Meteorites coming from the outer space. When it touches the atmosphere, its temperature gets high and high and high, so it kills a lot of animals when it touches the earth. Also, the onset of the glacial age. The glacial age happened millions of years ago. The ice covered all of Earth, so animals doesn't know how to adapt with this low temperature. We also have the emission of poison gases from the volcanoes. When a volcano erupts, poisonous gases comes from it and it kills a lot of animals. And that's the reason of the old ages. Those factors lead to the extinction in the modern age. The extinction of animals live with us now. From this reason we have the overhunting. We can say hunters, human attempt to hunt a lot of animals, and that's wrong. The climate change, when Earth's temperature gets high, and animals doesn't know how to adapt with this high temperature. The natural disaster like the tsunami and the earthquakes, and a lot of natural disasters. Destroying the natural habitat, like taking the wood from the forest to use it in humans. But how gonna animals live when we take all the forest and all the trees from it? Environment pollution, like happened with the factories. We all know that factories, poisonous gases comes from it, and it throws all bad things in the water, and it hurts the aquatic animals. We also have some example for animals that has extincted in the old ages, like the mammoths, dinosaurs, the quagga. And also we have some other example for animals that endangered of being extinct, like the bald eagle, the Barbary sheep, and the panda bear. Let's review what we have studied here. We have studied the definition of the extinction as a continuous decrease in the number without a compensation till it all dies. We have studied factors in the old ages like meteorites impact to the earth, the onset of the glacial age, and the emission poisons from the volcanoes. We have studied modern factors lead to the extinction in the modern ages, like the overhunting, the environmental pollution, the natural disaster, and the climate change, of course. And we have studied and mentioned some example for animals that has extincted and endangers means that they have the threat of being extincted in the future. We gotta find the homework here, and I hope you all a good day, and thank you.